it's my old man's car. It's been sitting in this spot here at his mum's house for 15 years. I walked into the house and I said, it's a big job. Show you a little rust problem I found yesterday.
Little rust problem. Seems like we've got a lot of rust problems.
We're keeping positive.
Okay. We're off to a good start.
Yeah, it's a good start, guys. Let's jump in and see if she cranks over, eh? This is the most exciting part. Megan, just give it a little, just a once, just to see if it cranks over. Go. Oh my God, it started. Welcome back, guys, to another episode. If you watched last week, you would know that we are two very happy mechanics.
And
YouTube qualified mechanics.
I had to sort of eat my words as well, because I was seriously doubting that we're even going to get this thing to start, but it started.
I honestly thought it wasn't going to start. Last week, I just sprayed some throttle body cleaner down the carburetor, and it started in 1 second, eh? It was classic. So now, we're going to take off where we started, and I got a bottle of fuel there, and we're going to pour it down the carburetor, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a rev up like that and see if we can get some revs happening. And Megan's going to jump in the driver's seat and turn that key, baby. See what happens, eh? It was a good sign that it cranked over, but this is my little contraption.
We would not be having episode 2 if it didn't.
Yeah, there'd be no episode 2. Alright, you ready?
I think so.
Alright. So, I've put a little hole in the top there. Got some fuel in there. This is what the guys on YouTube do, so that's what I'm doing. I watched every single 350 Chev video there is on YouTube. Alright, we got Megan's little... What are we going to call it? Megan Cam. We got Megan Cam on. Okay, I got my fuel, got my fire extinguisher, and I'm going to pour some fuel down there. Oh. Like so. Give it a few seconds. Alright. Not going to lie, I'm a bit scared. But Megan, I'll stand back for this one. Go, give it a crank. Alright, 2 secs. We'll try again. Go again. Go. Go again. Wait up. Alright, give it a crank. Yes. Go one more. How good. She's running. It's got a weird sound to it, doesn't it? One last time, just for good luck. Getting excited with the fuel. Alright, go, give her a crank.
Am I holding it for the...
No, you can hear it start and then you just let go. Like, what you're doing is perfect. Yeah. Alright, so she's running. What I might do is connect up fuel line to a jerry can and we'll see if it runs like that. There we go. That should suck that up. Okay, you ready? Go. Go again. Hold it. Wait up. Alright, go.
Should I hold it for longer?
If it starts, just let go of the key, yeah. I'll nod my head like stop. This is top mechanics here, guys. I'll just be like stop. Alright, go. Holy moly! There you have it. One happy mechanic, mate. Runs perfectly, Megan. Come around here, have a look. Holy crap. Megan. my God, guys, it runs. And it runs perfectly. We've done it. How good's that?
Step 1 of 20.
Yeah.
Done.
Oh my God. Yes.
Do we turn
can't
it off so they
believe it.
can hear us?
No, we'll let it run for a bit.
Yeah.
Listen to the big V8 noise. All the gauges working perfectly. Oh, listen to it, mate. Let's see what the old exhaust pipe's doing. Do you want to go press the accelerator a little bit? Any mice in there? Yeah, go again. Give it a big one. Oh, big Megan on the accelerator. All right, we'll just leave it running for a little bit.
Yeah.
The next mission is
Getting it the
Cut.
bloody hell out of here.
cut all this down. Nuna's not going to be too happy about her prickly pears, is she? Look at that, that's a good effort of a tree. We've got to cut all that down, get a car trailer in, and we'll get it out to my mate's warehouse where the
Real fun begins.
the real business begins. But anyway, we'll fast forward to 2 days. We'll see you there. Okay, so you know it's getting serious when I got a work shirt on. I figured out that the clutch was seized. The master cylinder, which I've gone out and purchased a new one there, was all seized up, which is expectable. I didn't think about it the other day, so I got to replace that so we can reverse this thing out of here. This is what the clutch is doing. So it was all seized up, and I continued to push on it to see if I could get it to go, and now it's just completely stuffed, and the brakes are a bit stiff as well, but we've got a handbrake working over here, so we can use that for now. So today I'm going to change this master clutch cylinder here. Didn't know what they were, and I've learned something new today. So I'm going to do that, bleed the clutch fluid, and hopefully we can get this thing moving, and then we can get around to cutting those bloody trees. Alrighty, got the old one off. Absolutely stuffed it is, and look at the state of it in there, not good at all. Oh, don't want that on the floor. Look at that, that's a brand new one, nice and clean, ready to go. I just got to make sure that this nut here is the same as this one. I've counted 11 threads in on this one, so I'll do the same with this one once I get this off. Alright, let's see what we can do. Okay, so now the fun bit, to bleed the clutch fluid through. Now I've never done this before, but I watched a few YouTube videos and I think I've got it down packed. It normally takes 2 people to do it, one to push the clutch in and one to undo the slave cylinder. But so I'm going to do it myself today, and it's probably going to take 40 minutes, but I'm going to get it done. Okay, so I got my fuel tube here, filled it up with a bit of fuel, runs down the line to the manual pump there, so that should be enough just to see if the old girl's going to go backwards or forwards. Hopefully she starts up. Alright, we got our garden shoes on. We got the boss telling us what we're allowed to and what we are not allowed to cut down.
Cut.
So cut all this, eh?
Yeah, cut in there.
Alright, Nuna's telling us what we're allowed to and what we're not allowed to cut. We've got to replant it, she says. What do you reckon, Megan? It might actually be a big job, eh? All this, eh?
You cut in there.
Hey? Yeah, I'll cut all that.
Yeah. In there.
Alright, let's get started,
And
eh?
this one.
The olive tree.
Yeah, the fig, you put in there.
Yeah, we'll put the figs over there. Alright, Nuna, we're going to get cutting. Alright, Megan, what have we learnt today?
So we probably should have invested in some actual gardening gloves instead of Jack's servicing
Oh,
gloves,
mate.
because the prickles from the cactus, they're just really, really fine prickles, and
Oh.
our hands are covered in them. My hands are covered in them. And then Jack's like, no, it'll be right. I'll do it. And then he put the gloves on, and now his hands are covered in
Covered in
the prickles as well. But it's a really weird feeling. It's not like, it's kind of like acupuncture, but
Yeah.
painful.
So plan B, we're going to cover our hands in cloths instead. My service cloths. We're almost there though. Looks alright. Nuna wants us to replant them over there, so that's going to be fun. But anyway, we do what Nuna says, eh?
Yes.
Alright, we'll tie this up. Just tie that up around there twice. So we've cut all the prickly pears down, and and then pull that bit here. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure we've got enough room now. I'm just tying it up so we can pull it a bit back. Our hands are covered in prickles.
Oh, it's so painful.
Alright, should do that. Alright, I got the battery connected up. I'll put some fuel in my homemade fuel tank here. And we might need a bit today, eh? Because we're going to reverse it right out. Alright, that should be heaps, eh? Oop. Okay. Close the bonnet up. Beautiful. You reckon we'll start straight away? At least the windows work. Alrighty.
You should see what's stuck on the bull bar. It's so funny.
It's the bin, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, watch out, there's cars coming.
Oh yeah. Oh gosh, it's fully steaming and smoking.
Classic. There you have it, guys. The FJ is out after 15 years.
It looks so much worse parked next to the troopy.
How good is that? Alrighty, we're going to order a tow truck, and we'll see you guys next week when we get it to my mate's warehouse. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to, what do they do, Megan?
They like and subscribe please if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next week.
See you guys. You reckon we'll start straight away?
I think so.
Oh, I've locked it. Bloody hell. Here we go. Wrong key.